Hi, I'm Steve McCaskill, Deputy Editor of TechWeekEurope, and I'm here at Mobile World Congress 2015 in Barcelona. I'm joined by Chris Halbard from Synchronoss. Thank you very much for joining us.
Pleasure.
So, tell us a little bit about Synchronoss and what you're doing at Mobile World Congress.
Synchronoss, been around nearly 15 years or so now. Two divisions of our business, our activation division and our cloud division. The activation division is very much about working with operators about how we can change the experience that their subscribers, their customers are having without and disconnect that from the speed of transforming the network and the IT around the network. That IT is very, very complex. It takes a lot of time to change. It takes a lot of time to plan to change. But if we can use our tools to disconnect that so you can start giving a benefit to the consumers and spend the right amount of time on transforming the large IT pieces of the network, you get a good customer experience, you get a better return on investment, life's a bit better. And on the cloud environment, our second division is really very much there about there's lots of devices as you go around the show, lots of great apps, lots of great ideas, but how do we integrate those? How do we provide a platform that says a cloud isn't about storage. A cloud is about your digital persona, your interaction with that digital media that's expanding and expanding and expanding. Our cloud platforms basically allow you to bring all that data to one place and push that data out to the user with context, but basically over any operating system, and the way we like to call it, any screen. It doesn't matter whether it's your mobile, your laptop, your PC, or a TV. It's about delivering your information to you when you need it, when you use it, and then looking at the interaction between that data. If your calendar says you have a meeting at 4 o'clock, why shouldn't the system automatically, one, remind you of the information, but two, check whether traffic is on that route, check where your location is, are you in your car, here's the navigation route for the car. All of that information that exists is then provided back through the platform with context. A lot of what we're doing here, whether it's meeting with the governments to talk through how we can securely distribute documents out to their constituents, or working with operators to either change their experience or give them an application platform. So, busy few days.
Yeah, as you say, there's a lot going on here. What trends are you noticing in your industry?
I think if we look in the industry, what I'm seeing is very much less of a conversation about we need to build a bigger, newer, smarter network. More of a conversation about we've built a bigger, smarter network, but what are we going to give people to use it? How do we get that traffic? How do we get that flow? How do we justify a return on the investments that we've made, or at least enable that return to come? So lots of devices, lots of wearables, lots of platforms, really all there about generating that integrated traffic that makes the network and the investments made worthwhile.
And what's next for Synchronoss? What are you going to do when you leave Barcelona?
Hopefully close on all the contacts we've made over the last couple of days. Sleep a little bit. I think it'll be a good thing for most of the teams that we have here have been working long days, but very much go back from Barcelona invigorated. You know, the good thing is the amount of walk past, walk through, customer visits that we've had that have gone into real detail on what we're doing and what we're capable of doing with a platform that we can innovate with them has created a lot of opportunities. Good thing about opportunities, it puts confidence in my own team that we're on the right track. Now we just got to close those and keep that confidence going.
Thank you very much.